In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello for game development using a simple, practical board structure that works whether you're a solo indie developer or part of a full team. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete system to plan milestones, track bugs, capture ideas, and manage your game's progress from concept to release. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more game development and productivity tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Trello and create a new board. Click Create, then select Board, and name it something like Game Development. This board will become your command center for the entire project. Now let's set up the core structure. Start by creating a list called Roadmap. This list is for your big picture milestones. Add cards for major goals, such as Prototype Complete, Vertical Slice Ready, Demo Release, Alpha Launch, or Full Release. Think of these cards as long-term anchors for your project. They define where you're going overall, not the small daily tasks. Next, create another list called Milestone v1.0, or whatever your current version is. This list is for the active development phase you're working on right now. Inside this list, add cards for specific objectives required to complete this milestone. For example, add inventory system, finish tutorial level, implement enemy AI, optimize performance, or export for Steam build. These are actionable goals that move your current version forward. Now add a bugs list. This is where every known issue goes. Each bug should have its own card. Be specific in the title, like player falls through floor on level 2, or audio cuts out after pause menu. You can use labels such as critical, needs research, or minor to quickly identify severity. This keeps your issue centralized and prevents problems from getting lost in chat messages or notes. After that, create a brainstorming list. This is your creative playground. Add rough feature ideas, experimental mechanics, or improvements you're not ready to commit to yet. Team members can freely drop ideas here without cluttering your active development lists. Then create an ideas list. This acts as your structured backlog. These are future features or improvements that are more defined than brainstorming concepts, but not yet scheduled into a milestone. It keeps your long-term thinking organized without distracting from current work. Now let's talk about how this workflow functions together. The roadmap defines the big picture goals. The milestone list breaks one of those goals into actionable objectives. Bugs keeps quality under control. Brainstorming fuels creativity. Ideas holds your backlog. Everything is visible, organized, and actionable. To make this system even more powerful, start using labels. Create color-coded labels like feature, bug, UI/UX, audio, optimization, or design. At a glance, you'll immediately see what type of work each card represents. Open any card and add checklists to break large tasks into smaller steps. For example, inside Add Inventory System, you might add Design UI mockups, implement backend logic, add item icons, and test save data. This makes complex features manageable. You should also use due dates for milestones and urgent bug fixes to keep your timeline realistic. Assign team members to cards so everyone knows who is responsible for what. And don't forget to attach files like concept art, gameplay clips, documents, or build screenshots directly to the relevant cards. As your project grows, consider adding a playtesting feedback list where you review and prioritize player comments. You can also add a release prep list for tasks like build installer, write changelog, create trailer, or update store page. Finally, add a done list to move completed tasks into. This gives your team a sense of progress and keeps active lists clean. When used consistently, this Trello board becomes a structured command center for your entire game development cycle. Roadmap is your long-term vision. Milestone is your current focus. Bugs protects quality. Brainstorming captures creativity. Ideas holds your backlog. Everything is visible, organized, and actionable. And that's how you use Trello for game development in a clean, professional way. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.